Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to choose categories for Bank of America cash rewards in 2025. If you're a Bank of America credit card holder, you know that cash rewards can add up quickly, potentially saving you hundreds on everyday expenses. But with categories changing and new options for 2025, it's crucial to pick the right ones tailored to your spending habits. Let's break this down step by step so you can start maximizing your rewards right away. First things first, make sure you have your Bank of America online account set up. Head to their website or app and log in with your username and password. Once you're in, navigate to the Rewards, or Cash Rewards, section. It's usually front and center in your dashboard. Now, take a moment to review the available categories. For 2025, Bank of America might have refreshed options like groceries, gas, dining, online shopping, or even travel. They often allow you to select up to 3 categories where you'll earn boosted cashback rates, typically 3% instead of the standard 1 to 2%. Next, think about your monthly spending. Do you spend a lot on groceries or fuel? Select categories that match your biggest expenses to get the most bang for your buck. It's all about personalization. Avoid picking popular ones if they don't align with your habits. After making your selections, double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Hit the Save or Confirm button, and you're good to go. Your choices will apply to your next billing cycle. A quick tip: before finalizing, track your expenses for a week or two using a simple app or spreadsheet. This will help you make smarter choices and avoid missing out on potential rewards. By following these steps, you'll be earning more cashback effortlessly in 2025. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite reward category. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.